I need to tell you something. I'm not a lemon. I'm a potato.
What did you just say?
That's not funny. You're a lemon, son.
Why was I born a lemon if I feel like a potato? One day, I'll become what I really am.
Look, it's the potato lemon.
He thinks he's a potato?
One day I will be.
You want a full potato transformation surgery?
Yes.
This operation is extremely dangerous. Your parents must approve it.
This surgery will never happen.
You're perfect the way you are.
Perfect! I'm living in the wrong body!
If they won't help me, I'll find another way.
My parents will never agree. Please, do the surgery anyway.
Are you absolutely sure? There's no turning back.
I've been ready my whole life. He's still just a child.
Why didn't we see how much he was suffering?
Begin the transformation.
Finally, I'll become a potato. Why are you digging?
Because potatoes live underground. Stop! Now, I'm finally home.